We're here in one of our clients' houses, and we just got inundated here in Florida with 2 days of straight nonstop rain, where all the pools and all the yards and all the streets, everything got extremely flooded. And with this particular client, his pool is not set up and was never plumbed with a proper pool drain line with a valve and a blue hose. So we're going to be doing that. Client must have went somewhere and bought this external pump, and then as you can see, he went too far. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to be installing a pool drain line with a backwash hose so that he can properly drain out his pool. So this is his pool equipment that we have here. And we did notice that they must have opted to put in this little gate valve here on the filter, but that would take way too long to drain the pool. So we're going to properly install, haven't decided where, either here on the front end side. I'm going to put a T with a ball valve and a pipe coming out so he can connect the hose to it, or maybe on this side over here. Haven't determined which side we're going to do first, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to start breaking down the piping and installing a backwash valve. This is why we elected to install a regular one, because that valve is not, it's probably really bad and it's not gonna let enough water coming out. We elected to go over here in this position because this is the pathway, and I'm thinking about our service team. This is our pathway when we go to clean our filter. We walk this way, and there's more room for us to walk this way because our actual hose to clean is behind the house here. And I don't want added plumbing in the way. So, and over here is a little bit more discreet. We're gonna come out, put the valve here, and that way we can run our flexible hose down the wall this way. All right, got my outlet pipe coming out. I built up my rig. I don't have the valve glued in yet. This is just to give me an idea of where everything is gonna be laid out at. My elbow is glued into my bushing, and I do got the pipe glued into the bushing there, and I get my exit pipe glued into my valve. So now I'm just gonna measure the distance between here and here, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish up this loop, and then we'll add our blue hose to our other pipe that we have here. I did it this way because the client did give me the inclination in the future he's probably gonna wanna run a pipe out, straight out to down here to drain out his pool. So kind of like pre-doing this setup for him, so that in the future, if he does elect to do it, all we got to do is go ahead and just excavate the ground, run a pipe underground until we exit out going over there. All right, so that's we completed the project here for the client. Anticipated the client's needs in the future based on what he explained to us and his concerns. So this is our best method. We got the hose running along the line of the house and then right to here, so the client can easily take this and put it to wherever he wants to drain the pool down some when he needs to, whenever there's immense rain. And as you can see here, this is our walking area. So if I would have put the pipe along this area, it would have just made it more of a cautious step and a problematic for more issues that could be stepped on in a broken pipe. Watching this video, every pool should be equipped with a dedicated drain line with a valve to control and manage water level. Other methods of doing it is either running a pipe straight out or to wherever you want to go to. But nevertheless, just wanted to touch on one thing regarding swimming pools and rainwater that could be potentially filling up the pool all the way. Never, as long as you have a good slope, you should never be worried regarding your swimming pool and the rainwater and the pool being overfilled, because the pool water is not going to overflow and spill into your house. As the water reaches and gets to the very tip top and it's completely full, and even though it continues to keep raining, the water is just going to hit that top water, just bead right off and go off into your yard and slope away. As you can see, this yard here is sloped downwards in this manner here. So as that water beads off of the coping, it's going to slide down and slope away and out towards the street or away from your house. Every pool deck, as long as your pool is built the right way, your house is built the right way, and you have the right elevation, these type of things you should never have to worry about. But yes, once a storm does pass, it is recommended to go ahead and lower that water level till you get below the coping line, because you don't want water to sit up there too long, because over time that can saturate inside. And I've seen it where the coping starts to loosen up. If you already have loose coping, now you're introducing more water in there. So you do want to return your water level back down to the middle for your skimmer purposes. As you can see right here, client went too low. He had an external pump and he connected it and he drained out his pool, but now he can use the pool and more likely return this pump if he wants to, or keep it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned anything, post your comments down below. Please like and share my video and subscribe so that you get all the notifications and be in tune with what we're doing here at our company and for our customers. Thank you again. Keep swimming.